channel. Unfortunately, this is the last one of ever having KAWAII box. I had to cancel it because we've been getting far behind on a bill lately, and so I canceled it in order to pay that bill. So this will be the last box that I'll ever unbox of KAWAII box. Okay, so I'm actually opening it, and I figured out what's holding the box, you know, pushed out constantly where you can't fix or anything. I actually see what is making the box look fat. Big plush, and I've never seen plush this big in a KAWAII box. It's a bunny. I've never got a KAWAII box that's overloaded with something like this big inside of it. I mean, it's adorable. A Happy Cloud plush charm, and it looks like it's kind of dirty, but from my angle it looks dirty, but not sure how you guys would see it. But this is the Happy Cloud squishy charm, and it is going to be probably attached to my purse, because on my purse I actually have a avocado plush, and I have the panda, and I have a little tiny Saitama, and on here I have the ugly Gudetama. Sorry to say, but he looks, I'm not really so fond of that. So, oh yeah, this is my purse, by the way. Yeah, end the story of that. A little ice cream popsicle, ice cream squishy, and I'm trying to open it without making so much noise. Okay, so it's just, I see some sprinkles, little tiny sprinkles, okay, that are falling off, and I mean, I'm trying not to pull the stick out of it because I don't want nothing to happen to it. So, ooh, ice cream squishy, but it smells like a vanilla swirl candy cream frosting. I'm serious, it smells just like a cookie. Just gonna start smelling it. Washi tape. Washi tape. Hello, my hero. Masking tape. You call it masking tape, you call it washi tape. What's the difference? I mean, it's still decorative. It's still cute, but I'm just gonna go ahead and butcher the box just to open it because it doesn't have any cute animals or cute faces on it. It's just got like some kind of weirdness. But here is the washi tape, and it has words all over it. I can't really make them out, but here's the washi tape or masking tape. Well, it says masking tape, but I call it washi tape, decor tape, whatever. It's just tape to me, so it's basic, normal, not so cuteness. So the next item here happens to be a snack, and it's the weird looking anpanman. And of course it would smell like chemicals inside. I mean, I'm not so fond of these little packages that stink of chemicals. But you can see the little gummies are inside. They smell chemically. I wonder, do they taste chemically? That one actually tasted like orange. So I did grab an orange. You got orange, you got grape, you got apple. They're really good. They're really sweet, but not too sweet. They smell chemically, but they don't really taste chemically. Does that even make sense? Because I don't know. It looks like the same kind of dog that I had on my other calendar, and it's cute. It's a cute little thing, and I see that there has a screw right here, or some kind of sort. So let's just open this one up. Let's just open this little guy up and see what he is. I'm guessing he's one of those slip over notebooks. It's just as I suggested. It's exactly that. So what you do is, well, basically you take the top, go over like that, and it's basically a little a little notepad. You just put it back over, and you have the cute little face. And what is under here? Okay, so basically this is a notepad, but you slide it. You don't flip it open or anything. The thing about Kawaii boxes, they send you pins, they send you stationery, all kinds of stuff. But you always get, like the last month's box, it was a pin that was really This pin, however, I really adore because it's a flamingo. Very cute. And my guess, black ink. I mean, look at the way it's the point. So far, we've had the Sakura Rabbit plushie, which is the rabbit, and the ice cream squishy that smells just like either ginger snaps or vanilla cream frosting for cookies, the Kawaii flamingo pin, the Shiba Inu notepad we just looked at not long ago, the Cactus Hero washi tape, I showed you that one, and the Happy Cloud Plus charm, the bento box puffy stickers. You are here. These are lunchbox puffy stickers, and they have food stickers. Like, I like food stickers, but I'm not so fond of. I like the little chopsticks. That's very cute, and the entire. I like the little French fries, the little egg, the little pan. It's also adorable, but I'm not really so much into the entire food sticker thing. This is my last box, so I can pay off a bill, and it's $20 a month for this bill because it has to do with a monthly payment thing. So I canceled the Kawaii box just so I can pay the bill because I figured, you know, the bill comes first other than late payments, and we don't like to get behind on things. So that is about everything in this box, and I actually do like these little gummies. They're really good. They're sweet, but not too sweet. And be sure to catch me next time in my next video, where I will have an Easter basket unboxing, but it's not really a basket. It's basically just one of those big bags of stuff inside of it, which I will be doing, and I will have that video up eventually. So I'm hoping you guys stick around and wait for that video to come up. And also, I will have my my DVD collection video coming up soon as I can, and I will have a little mini haul video tonight after this video is done because I'm trying to get back into my schedule. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts. Do you get Kawaii Box? Do you want Kawaii Box? Just go to the website, sign up, subscribe. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe if you'd like. Hit that little bell down below next to it so you can get updated with new videos that come. Where I upload, you'll be notified. I'm going to stop rambling now, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.